How to log into Sierra Pacific Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Sierra Pacific Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, a fun website links will appear. Scroll down, navigate to this one website option, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the email address, then type in the password. If you want to use access code to log into your account instead of the password, click on the option of mortgage signer with access code. With that, you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered over here. You have to type in that code, and with that, you will be logged into your account. If you want to use the password, just type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of forget password given at the bottom to recover it. And once you provide all the details, click on login. With that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of register here and go through the registration process. So this is how you can easily log in to Sierra Pacific Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.